we are planning to go for a trip, and as usual I get another contract or a shoot details. As I'm packing my stuff right now, as you can see everything is being packed, and I get a contract to shoot in Jaipur. By the way, I'm going to Gujrat, and now I have to figure how to reach Jaipur after I reach Gujrat and complete my trip there. As you can see, I'm just doing some planning work here. Yeah, this is going to be adventurous. It is 12:45 and I have to reach home back by 3 to catch my train. I'm going to Churchgate now. It will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes to reach. Buy me a tripod and go back home again. This is adventure. Goddamn. The store, and I just bought my tripod.
69 400 का फ्लाइट है
And
9 400 लाइट है और बैटरी डिजिटल का आएगा 1800 रुपये का.
Now to rush back home. Hopefully I'll reach by 2:45. It's 1:45 right now.
सेम होगा डिजिटल का.
Alright, it is 2 p.m. I've got my tripod with me. I've just bought it. Now heading back to the station, and let's hope I reach by 2:30. And now I'm back at home. So I have to run a lot. Now I'm in the train. Finally done with everything. Bought the tripod, packed everything, and now just waiting for the journey to begin. Very tired. So quiet around here. Really quiet. Nothing to be seen. As far as you look here, it's just barren lands and trees. આપણે આવી ગયા છે બીજા મંદિરે. એમનું નામ શું છે મને યાદ નથી, પણ હું બહુ પહેલા આવેલો. તો હા, એની યાદગીરીમાં છે. બહુ સારું છે. આવી ગયા છે મંદિરે. માટે અમદાવાદ માટે. ત્યાંથી મને ફ્લાઇટ પકડવાની છે જયપુર માટે. ત્યાં જઈશ હવે. 7 વાગે બેસેલો, હમણાં વાગ્યા છે 11. તો બહુ લાંબુ છે હવે જર્ની. હજી ફ્લાઇટનું પણ બાકી છે. Now to go to Jaipur for shoot purposes. It's gonna be fun. Information: you don't get boarding pass when it's Republic Day. When it's Republic Day, you don't get visitors pass for the airport. So if you're planning to go into the airport with your visitor on 25th or 26th, there's a 10-day buffer. 10 day or somewhere around more than 10 days. So you cannot buy a ticket and go inside with your visitor. So she's staying out. So am I for half an hour. Because the time is 2:30 and my check-in starts at 3 and I have to be in the flight by 4:30 and 5 we'll leave. Alright, so I've checked in, everything is done. So I'll just go to my flight. Hopefully it's on time and no delays. Ahmedabad है. It's good. It's okay-ish after Mumbai's. Mumbai is the best. Going for a seat. Very tired and very hungry at the same time. Bad combination. Time is 4:30 and I'm doing the flight.